Hello and welcome to this new video on how to access Temu support center. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Temu. Now you have to press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu, and their interface will be opened. So when you have logged in and signed in successfully, this is the interface that is shown to you. And when you are in this interface, you just have to look in the right hand side of the navigation bar. There is an circular icon, and when you hover around it, it will show a pop-up box, and there will be different options like support center, chat with Temu, Temu personal protection, privacy and cookie. So you just have to click on the support center, and Temu support center will be open right in front of you. And any query that you have, you can just ask them according to your desire. So this is how you can access Temu support center. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.